So first you add little bit of DCM because your compound is soluble in DCM. If it not, if your compound is not soluble in DCM, then you need to choose your solvent where it is soluble. And then these four test tubes, this these four test tube 1, 2, 3, and 4, that we will be mixing together. So from here you need to transfer the stuff like that way. You see, while transferring, I gave a like a little simple a kind of like spinning, so that actually helps. Again, put your DCM little bit, not a lot, and you need to transfer. When you are transferring, look at me, there will be like a spinning like this. So whatever stuff you have in the wall, they will be transferred very like quantitatively, you can say. Again, you need to wash it. If you see that generally people need to wash like 3 to 4 times, but even after 3 to 4 times, if you see that you have still compound, then you need to wash more. So how many times you are washing, that doesn't matter. Which matters that all the compound must be quantitatively transferred. So here you see this test tube, we have transferred all the compounds quantitatively, and now it is done. So we'll be using the next one because for test tube we need to mix. So the next one, and then again here we will put like a little bit of DCM, and then shake it nicely. You see everything is now soluble, and this guy we will place like this. And always you see I touch the mouth, and by surface tension the last drop is going inside, it is not going outside. So while transferring, if you touch the mouth of both the test tube, then surface tension, because of that reason everything will be like going, like everything will go inside, nothing you will lose. So again, just touch it like this, it will go inside. But like at least 3 times washing is good. But if you see still the compound is there, you need to wash more. So again, there is no certain number to washing. And when decanting, you see I'm just spinning the test tube like this way. So whatever you have inside the test tube, they will go here. So another test tube that we want to mix here, and that is here. So this four test tube we need to mix. So this one we have taken like this. Again, a little bit of DCM. Remember, when you are transferring the DCM, make sure that your pipette tip will never touch the test tube, because if your pipette tip touches the test tube, that means it will be contaminated. So again, you cannot put here. If you do that, then your compound will go to your bottle, and that will cause you that will give you trouble in future, or other peers, when they will be using, they will get trouble, they will get like an impurity. So make sure that in no case your pipette will touch the test tube. In case like by accident if it touch, then you need to change this pipette, you cannot use the same pipette. So this type of little stuff that we need to follow. And now after that we will be transferring again by spinning this test tube, and wash it again with DCM like this. Make sure that everything you are transferring quantitatively like this. Again with DCM. Transfer. So after like 3 times we have done, so you see it looks clean, there is nothing inside. So now you can like